If you want professional-grade audio in Adobe Audition, you need to master 4 core effects. Those 4 core effects are Normalize, Noise Reduction, EQ, and Compressor. Even if you don't know anything about the other effects in Adobe Audition, you can still produce audio that sounds professional and competitive, as long as you know how to properly configure and use these 4 effects to enhance your voice. If you don't understand the basic configuration of these 4 effects, then this is exactly where you should start. Before trying advanced processing or third-party tools, you need a solid foundation with these effects. I've explained these steps clearly in my Adobe Audition Sound Better PDF guide, where I show the complete workflow and how to use each effect correctly. I have the link in the description, and I recommend you check that out. Apply the effects described in this guide to one of your raw or original recordings, and you will see that your audio quality has improved quite a bit. Sometimes people feel that these 4 effects in the correct configuration are all they need. If you want to go deeper than that, you'll get full details through my Adobe Audition course for beginners, where I explain all 4 core effects in much more detail. If you don't have access to the course right now, you can enroll, or you can also watch my YouTube video, where I explain how to use these 4 effects step by step. These 4 effects are the foundation of voice processing. They are the foundation of genuine, professional-sounding audio. I have helped my clients go from getting voiceover jobs here and there to permanently hiring as a voiceover talent by building presets with only these 4 effects. Now, if you're confused about EQ and compression inside Adobe Audition, let me clarify where to find them. For EQ in Adobe Audition, we will mainly use the Parametric Equalizer that is inside the filter in EQ. The Parametric Equalizer is the primary EQ effect we use in Adobe Audition. For compression, there are multiple options, but the one we mainly focus on is dynamics. Inside the Dynamics effect, you'll find the Compressor section, which is the main compression tool we use. So, Normalize, Noise Reduction, Parametric EQ, and Dynamics. These are the 4 effects that matter most. I'll include all the relevant links in the description, so if you're not familiar with these effects yet, make sure to go through them. Even if you have a good grasp of them, I still recommend watching these videos for a refresher on the concepts. People who already knew something or used Adobe Audition for decades have told me that they have found much new information or different perspectives after watching my videos, so I highly recommend watching them again. If you're watching this video on YouTube, this lesson is actually part of my professional voice-over workflow course, where I teach Adobe Audition combined with third-party plugins. You can enroll in that course using the link in the description and pinned comment. You can also watch a more detailed video on the card on the screen. Thanks for watching.